Today, Northwest Michigan Works brought a team of 5 to work with MTA, which is a Manufacturing Technology Academy students, to do a resume critique and just help them to understand what the desired points of a resume are. We've shared, the top 5 to-dos in terms of a resume. So we've discussed appropriate email addresses, targeting the resume to the employer, looking at the job description, and then making those changes to your resume. We have talked about keeping the document personal but professional. So using this as your professional marketing materials, but not going into a story about that. We've also talked about, of course, proper grammar and to not be fooled by spell checks. These students maybe only have had one job and maybe none, but that doesn't mean that that's going to take, the priority on their resume. They have many organizations where they've done extracurricular activities and gained leadership, whether that might be band, civic engagement, it could be Boy Scouts or Girl Scouts, but all of those have affected and molded them in their professional aspect, and so including that information and how it applies to their interaction in a team and their leadership qualities is very important. A resume is crucial in communicating what your skills are to an employer. A quick glance, so 10 to 30 seconds on a one-page document that highlights who you are professionally, where you thrive professionally, how you work in a team. These things are all very important. Even though we're a very digital age, the importance of the resume has not decreased at all. It is even more important because there's more information. So being more effective and concise in the communication that comes through your resume is more important than ever.